What's up, YouTubers? It's your girl Gwentastic, and I'm going to show you how to create simple, classic press-on nails at home. Of course, I'm using my art tray. It's actually a crystal tray, but I like to put my gel polish inside of it when I'm mixing custom gel polish, and that's what I'm about to do now. I do that a lot. It saves money, saves time, just mixing it together to make an off-white instead of a full-on white, per my client's request, of course. I actually like the milky white look. I'm just going in right now, painting a real thin coat, and I'm gonna run out, but I'm just gonna mix some more when you run out. And luckily she wanted milky white, so I don't have to really use too much. You don't have to wipe the shine off of the nails either when you're doing press-on nails. However, if you were doing a client's nail, you're always supposed to file the shine off, buff it off when you're using gel so that it won't chip and break off. And of course, not shown in the video, you pop it into your UV light for 60 seconds. And here I'm just going back in and I'm mixing a little bit more because I realized I didn't mix enough the first time. I just took like 3 drops of clear, 2 drops of the white. You want to use more clear when you're trying to get that off-white color. This is coming out thicker, but it's okay. Always dip my brush inside of my acetone to clean off any excess before I go back in. Just kind of create good habits. Pop it into the UV light for 60 seconds and start on your other one. Don't forget about the thumbs. I did those last. I forgot to tell you in the beginning of this video, I ordered my nail tips off of Amazon. I think they were like $7.99 a pack. However, I do have boxes of tips from different companies that are worth way more than that. So I mean, I don't do press-on nails with those, but they actually fit my clients' fingers perfectly. All numbers range from 0 to 1. So since I'm just showing you my unichrome, that's what it is, and I got that from dailycharm.com. Love their unichrome. But the nail tips, I put 2 thumbs, 0 and 1, in because they are the bigger sizes. I kind of eyed my clients' nails before I started making these. Like, I got so good during the pandemic at people sending me pictures and being able to tell what size you are just from looking at your picture. So if you have time to measure your clients' nails, use a tape measurer, of course. And you can also like Google that online and it'll tell you. But isn't that pretty? Look at that unichrome. I love unichrome. I'm addicted. Here, I was trying not to rub so hard because I realized that it was getting in my other nails, but it's okay. It just adds a little flair, a little pop to it. Because look at it, it's just so fine that it floats everywhere. And it gets on my nerves. It gets everywhere. I swear. Go ahead, like and subscribe to my channel. Turn on those post notifications so that I can keep you updated weekly. My page is all about business tips. I own a second business. It's Flourishing Health and Beauty. You can check my website out, and I'm gonna put that up there. So I'm going to go in with my gel polish. This is an old bottle. You want to seal it with a top coat with an old bottle of gel polish. If you don't have an old bottle of gel polish, just take the brush and dip it in acetone after each wipe, and then dip it back in the gel polish so that you won't get any trapped in your bottles. You don't want to have every client with unichrome and they don't want unichrome. You can tell it's old. Look at how I have to tilt the bottle to get all the resin left that's in it. I'm just going to pop that into the UV light for 30 seconds. And that is a top coat that I'm going to have to wipe. It'll have that sticky residue left on top. And then I'm going to go in with my other gel polish, my IBD Intense Seal. And it's a no wipe top coat, so I don't have to wipe that one in. It's like sheer and neutral with that unichrome look. But wait until you see the end product. I'm just going to take my file now and get that little, I guess the machine, the factory machine, you know, and leave those little pieces on there. So you just file straight across and get that off. Do that to every tip. You want it to look as crisp and clean as you possibly can get it. Just gonna take my alcohol prep wipe it down, get any excess dust off, you know. And now I'm gonna show you how I package my press-on nails. I take construction paper. You can use white, black, and then I just kind of size my mounting tape. You can get this from Walmart, Dollar General, anywhere they have mounting tape, and stick it on there. And I like to measure them to make sure they're the same length. I just use mounting tape to hold them on my press-on nail stand, and I just put it back so I won't be wasting so much mounting tape. Look at me struggling. Yeah, and I like to line them up going down, but you can face them up. I just feel like it gives a cleaner look. I got these little Ziploc baggies off of Amazon. As you can tell, I love Amazon. I just showed you a part where it was still like a little lump from the gel polish. Just filed it, and then you're gonna wipe it with an alcohol wipe to get any dust off again. Alcohol prep wipe and wipe the tops of them, you know, just to be safe and get any germs that you may have put on there from pressing them down. I like to put my business card inside. I have nail files and I have nail glue as well, and I also have the sticky adhesive for the nails. So you have options. Thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for weekly videos. Thank you.